Today, Mathematics, Chapter 1, Application of Matrices and Question number 1. Solve the following system in linear equation by Cramer's rule. First question. 5x minus 2y plus 16 equal to 0, x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. The above equations are, you take it and write, in the matrix form Ax equal to b. Now, modulus of A, delta, you are going to find out delta is not equal to 0. So that you find out the delta x. Delta x is minus 34. Delta y, you change the y value as a x value, place of minus 2, minus 3, you take it and write the b value 16a. Find out the delta y 51. Then x equal to delta x by delta equal to delta x value is minus 34 divided by 17, answer is minus 2. Then delta y equal to delta y by delta y value is 3. So x value is minus 2, y value equal to 3. Second question. First you take it and write, substitute 1 by x equal to a, so that you change the equation as 3a plus 2y equal to 12, 2a plus 3y equal to 13. Write the above equation in matrix form we get. You take it and write it in the matrix form Ax equal to b. Now delta x you are going to find out. Delta x is 5. Then move on to, you are going to find out the delta a. Delta a value is 10. Delta y is 15. Then a value we are going to find out. Delta a by delta equal to 10 divided by 5, 2. Y value you are going to find out. Delta y divided by delta equal to 15 by 5 equal to minus 3. A value equal to 2, y equal to 3. But put 1 by x equal to a. So that x value is 1 by 2 and y value is 3. Third question. Matrix form, you take it and write it in the matrix form Ax equal to b form. Then find out the modulus of delta. Delta you find out, the answer is minus 22. So that you move on to find out the delta x. The first column you change to as a b. After that you find out the delta x. Delta x value is minus 44. Delta y the same way, second column you change it as a b. After that you find out the delta y. Delta z the same way, third column you change it as a b. After that you find out minus 88. Delta x, delta y, delta z. Find out the x. Delta x by delta value is 2. Y, delta y by delta value is 3. Z, delta z by a delta equal to 4. X equal to 2, y equal to 3, z equal to 4. Fourth question. Take it and write the equation. Take it as 1 by x equal to a, 1 by y equal to b and 1 by z equal to c. The above equation became, you take it and change the place value of a, b and c, substitute in this equation. Then you write it in the matrix form. Find out the delta. Delta value is minus 15. Delta a minus 15. Delta b minus 5. Delta c minus 5. So that now you going to find out the value of a, b and c. A equal to delta a by delta equal to 1. B equal to delta B by delta equal to 1 by 3, C equal to delta C by delta equal to 1 by 3. Then you find out the value of A equal to 1, B equal to 1 by 3, C equal to 1 by 3. Then 1 by x equal to A, so that x value is 1. Same way you find out y value is 3. Then find out the z value is 3, so that x value 1, y value 3, z value 3. Then second question, in the competitive examination 1 mark is awarded for every correct answer, while 1 by 4 mark is deducted for every wrong answer. A student answered 100 questions and got 80 marks. How many questions did he answer correctly? Use grammar's tool to solve the problem. First, number of question answered 100. Let it number of question answered correctly be x and number of question answered wrongly by be y. Here x plus y equal to 100 and x minus 1 by 4y equal to 80. That is x plus y equal to 100 and 4x minus y equal to 320. You multiply by 4. Then matrix form, you take it and write. After that, find out the delta value minus 5, delta x value minus 420, delta y value minus 80, x value delta x by delta value is 84, y equal to delta y by delta equal to 16. Number of question answer correctly, x equal to 84. Question number 3. A chemist has one solution which is 50% acid and another solution which is 25% acid. How much each should be mixed to make 10 liter of 40% acid solution? Use grammar's tool to solve the problem. Let the number of liters of 50% acid used to be x liter and the number of liters in 25% acid used to be y liters. Here x plus y equal to 10 and 50 by 100 x plus 25 by 100 y, 40 by 100 into 10. Then x plus y equal to 10, x by 2, y by 4 equal to 4, 2x plus y equal to 16. Then you take it and write it in the matrix form. After that you find out the delta x minus 6, delta y minus 4, x equal to delta x by delta equal to minus 6 by minus 1 equal to 6 and y equal to delta y by delta equal to minus 4 by minus 1 equal to 4. We have to mix 6 liters of 50% acid and 4 liters in 25% acid. Question number 4. A fish tank can be filled in 10 minutes using both pumps A and B simultaneously. However, pump B can pump water in or out at the same rate. If pump B is inadvisable, run in reverse, then the tank will be filled in 30 minutes. How long would it take each pump to fill the tank by itself? Use grammar's tool to solve the problem. Time is taken for pump A to fill the tank B x minutes and time taken for pump B is to fill the tank B y minutes. Given 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by 10 and 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 1 by 13. To solve the above equation, put 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y equal to b, a plus b equal to 1 by 10 and a minus b equal to 1 by 30. The matrix form of the above equation is 1, 1, 1 minus 1. You take it and write it in the matrix form Ax equal to B. Then delta, first find out minus 2. Then delta A minus 4 by 30. Then delta A minus 4 by 30. Delta B minus 2 by 30. So A equal to delta A by delta 1 by 15. B equal to delta B by delta 1 by 30. A equal to 1 by x equal to 1 by A equal to 1 by 1 by 15. B equal to 1 by y equal to 1 by b equal to 1 by 30. Answer is 30. Pump A can fill the tank in 15 minutes and pump B you can fill the tank in 30 minutes. Question 5. A family of 3 peoples went out for dinner in the restaurant. The cost of 2 dosai, 3 idli and 2 vadais is rupees 150. The cost of the 2 dosai, 2 idli and 4 vadais is rupees 200. The cost of 5 dosa, 4 idlis and 2 vadais is rupees 250. The family has spent rupees 350 in hand and they ate 3 dosa and 6 idlis and 6 vadais. Will they be able to manage to pay the bill within the amount they had? First you take it and write the given information into the equation. After that you write it in the matrix form Ax equal to B. Delta first you find out, value is 20. Delta x value is 600. Delta y value is 200. Delta z value is 600. Now you find out the x value 30, y value 10, z value 30. Then cost of 1 dosa is x equal to rupees 30. Cost of 1 idli equal to y equal to rupees 10 and cost of 1 vada equal to z equal to rupees 30. Now the cost of 3 dosa and 6 idli and 6 vada into rupees 330 and they have to pay 350, so they will be able to manage to pay the bill. All of them understood, children? Thank you, children.